Hey guys, it's Brett from Diesel Corp here. Today we have the S&S DCR Pump Conversion. This is a total repair, fix, replacement for the poor factory CP4 pump that is known to fail. If you want to save yourself tens of thousands of dollars in fuel contamination and everything like that, this is the pump that you want. Now, you're probably looking at around $10,000-ish if your factory CP4 pump fails. This completely replaces that CP4 pump. It's a completely different design, whole different pump. You don't have to worry about this blowing up in your truck and costing you thousands of dollars. This is a complete drop-in pump. There's no tuning required, no nothing. You just throw this pump in, put this kit in, and you are set, ready to go. No longer having to worry about driving those long distances and if your pump will make it and if it won't and stuff like that. This is the fix for your issues. This kit is very nice. I mean, the pump is absolutely amazing. It's machined beautifully and everything's done really good on it. The lines are absolutely amazing. Everything fits very, very nice on these kits. We install these in the shop all the time and we have no issues with installs on them. They all fit, form, and function very, very good. So pick yours up at dieselrcorp.ca.